No tabletop is more hygienic than a Werzalit tabletop. It has a smooth, seamless surface, making it easy to clean, and is built to last in busy commercial venues. Simply spray the tabletop with a commercial-grade disinfectant and wipe it with a moist, clean cloth to remove dirt and kill bacteria and viruses. You may like to spray a non-rinse sanitizer on the surface to leave it clean and bacteria-resistant. The Werzalit tabletops can be used indoors or outdoors and come with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty to ensure your peace of mind. We recommend light colours for outdoor applications. Werzalit tabletops are manufactured in Europe from a mix of hardwoods and softwoods, bonded together in a resin, which makes them tough and durable. They will last for many years, even in adverse Australian weather conditions. No plantation timber is used in the manufacturing process, but rather recycled timber byproduct from other factories that would normally be wasted. Werzalit tabletops are not only strong, but kind to the environment as well. We have a large range of colours and sizes available for you to choose from. Whether you would like a plain colour, a wood grain look, or you'd like rustic concrete decor, we have it in our range.